Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the car and the head unit. That ensures the GPS module gets voltage. Once done, unlock the infotainment screen and look for a map or GPS icon. Many systems hide it in apps. Make sure your phone is nearby and USB or Bluetooth is enabled so you can pair if needed. If the unit shows blank, cycle ignition off and on quickly to reset power. These steps get you into the system fast and avoid wasted troubleshooting later. You now dive into navigation settings to confirm the unit actually has a GPS lock. Open navigation, then GPS or satellite status to watch satellite bars. No bars means no lock. If available, select internal antenna or external antenna input. External units require a connected antenna. Pair your phone or mount via USB so you can load maps or use phone-based navigation. Make sure firmware and map data are current, because outdated. You finish by verifying a GPS lock and testing real navigation. Enter a short route to a known place and watch the car icon move. This proves both lock and accuracy. Save home and one favorite spot so you can recall them instantly, and test voice directions and rerouting to confirm functionality. If the unit never acquires satellites, move outdoors and retry, restart the head unit, check the antenna cable behind the dash, and ensure no aftermarket metal or tint is blocking the signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.